Hey guys, finally the OnePlus 12 first look out. Today OnePlus show the OnePlus 12 and OnePlus AC3. So the OnePlus 12 and OnePlus AC3 is coming soon and there is no doubt about it. The company confirmed that the OnePlus 12 comes with 6.82-inch 2K resolution 120Hz LTPO BOE X1 OLED display. The phone peak brightness is now 3000 nits is 2600 nits peak brightness with narrowest frame 1.1mm, and the display also the power consumption reduced by 18% and the view angle increased by 30% compared to the OnePlus 11, and the phone also used the new generation LTPO technology. And here is the comparison between the OnePlus 12 and Galaxy S23 Ultra, and on the other hand the OnePlus AC3 or OnePlus 12 are using OVE 1.5K OLED display. Of course the phone comes with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 SoC and LPDDR5X 24GB of RAM and up to 1TB storage with UFS 4.0 storage, and the phone also comes with the USB 3.2 port. The OnePlus 12 also featuring a triple camera setup in the back, the 50MP main sensor which is Sony IMX966, and also according to the new report OnePlus also using the Sony new sensor as a primary sensor Sony IMX989, 48MP ultra wide which is Sony IMX586, and the first time OnePlus using 64MP telephoto periscope zoom lens which is OB64B and is support 3x optical zoom and up to 120x digital zoom, and the battery is also slightly bigger. It comes with 5400 mAh battery and it support 100W wired charging and 50W wireless charging. So what's the price OnePlus 12? All the new display, camera, SoC and the battery upgrades. OnePlus 12 is going to launch maybe $800. So let me know your thought in the comment section about the OnePlus 12, and thanks for watching and I will be catching the next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.